Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on how to use Microsoft Word. It's a basic training for those of you who have never used Microsoft Word before or have no idea how to format documents or how to use Microsoft Word. First of all, you have to have Microsoft Word on your computer. So to open the program, you double click whether on Mac or Windows, it's the same. Select blank document and enlarge the document. If you'd like to view this uh, on a larger scale, all you have to do is come here and zoom, click on the plus sign, and it enlarges as much as you want. So when I say your paper has to be in Times New Roman font, 12-point font, you have to come here and select the font type and the font size. Here it's already selected to 12, size 12, but it's in Calibri. Calibri is the default for Mac. We're going to select Times New Roman. If you don't find it immediately over here, you have to scroll down or either type here for Times New Roman and it'll give you the option immediately. So now that we have Times New Roman 12-point font size selected, we can start typing. Make sure that your writing is aligned left and not centered or aligned right. So you begin with your name. I'm gonna use a default name, John Smith, and you're going to also type your English class name with the section number. You have section 16 or section 19, so we're gonna go with 16. um, you're going to also type my name and the date, so let's say September 2018, and you're going to also type the assignment name. Let's say this is a response and this is the first response you're going to be writing. Everything else that you type from now on has to be double spaced. So how do you double space? First of all, you either select text, all of text. I'm not going to double space this part because I don't want it double spaced. So let's say we type and I'm going to instead of typing a lot, I'm just going to paste it and right. Okay, so let's say we want to double space this. How do you double space any text? You double space a text by selecting it and then going over here, up here to line spacing and selecting 2. Now it is double spaced. However, we have to make sure that there are no spaces before or after paragraphs of the same style. So we select this over here, don't add space between paragraphs of the same style, and we click OK. It reduces it slightly. You have to make sure that the first word is indented, and you indent this by putting the cursor over here so it's blinking, and then you press the tab button. It should indent this much. The other thing we can also do, or you should know how to do, which is a basic thing, is inserting page number. So you go to insert and we also go to page number over here, insert page number, and it gives you these options. You should insert at top of the page on the right. You click OK and now you have a page over here. However, double click over here on the header and make sure that the font is Times New Roman as well, 12-point font. So now that the page number is inserted in Times New Roman, it looks slightly different from Calibri. You know the basics of how to use Word, how to select your font size, how to insert a page number, how to double space, and how to indent. I hope this has proven to be helpful for you, and we'll discuss this in class if you have any other questions for me.